Today is going to be a quick one, and I'm going to show you how to actually cut the permanent vinyl, and we're going to stick it onto a mug. Okay, first of all, I downloaded the file. It's actually from Creative Fabrica. So I'll open up the file. So the file is Once Upon a Time Coffee. Okay, so this is the one. It's SVG. So actually we'll open up. So I just go into apply, and from here we just the size I'm looking at is around for 74, 75. Okay, around this size. And I really measured my mug. So it's going to be around 4 cm and 77.5 cm, right? So from here, I am going to send my design, okay, and I'm going to send to next. So this is going to be a cut design, so it's not going to be a print and cut, okay. So from here, I will send to cutter. Okay, I click yes, and do make sure I really put my vinyl onto my Siser Juliet without the cutting mat, right? So I'll just go into yes. Permanent vinyl. So this is a scrap piece I got, and I'm going to use my Juliet today, and it's going to be a matless cutting, right? So again, do make sure that the 2-pinch rollers actually being gripped onto your vinyl, right? So again, the setup is fairly easy, all right? So just to make sure that the 2-pinch roller actually grip onto your vinyl, all right? So I'll just put it around here, okay? Then at the back of the machine, I will just lock it just to secure the vinyl, okay? So the next thing will be I will move my carrier right to the edge down here, all right? So maybe around there, okay? So there will be the setup, and the default speed will be at 10, the force is going to be at 14, all right? So on the Leonardo Design Space, I'm going to hit on to the go, and anyway, it's connected via Wi-Fi down here. So once I hit go, and it will automatically cut 4 cm to 7 cm one, all right? So we will see when it's finished cutting. So it's about done, so we will see. Okay, so it's done up. So we will actually eject the vinyl, and we will see the effects of it. Oh, really nice. So they are really nice, the way I look at it. So I'm going to weed it out, and I'm going to stick onto the mug. So after actually using your weeding tool, we just actually have to remove the background of this piece vinyl. Okay, so this will be the vinyl before we actually transfer onto a coffee mug. So this is how the outcome of the cut by using the Siser Juliet, right? So we will actually stick onto the mug, and we will see the final results.